I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing.
Oh, thank you.
I've been wanting something
Pretty much.
from you. You ain't giving nothing.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Shakir. This is Tovia coming in. We got Sasha over there.
Ladies
and we got Lisa over here. Wait. So, if you're new, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. So today is day 2 of the vacation vlog. Yeah, we're at.
And we're in purple and pink.
Purple, pink. I have on purple.
Red. Let me call it purple. There's purple on my hand.
Yeah, she have purple on her hand. Yeah, she looking at her pink. Me have on the purple. I have on purple on the shoes and all that. But anyways, we are heading out into Ocho. Yes, sweetie. We're heading out into Ocho. Yes. Heading out into Ocho. We're gonna get some stuff done. Then we're gonna go to the beach later on, and then chilling later on. Yeah. Chill day today. Yeah. So this is day 10.
Summer.
No, I don't like this.
I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing.
Towards them oats.
I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing.
I should
And I
call me
don't like
mosquito.
her. She's a very big mosquito. Not the big mosquito. Pizza chain, lean.
You know, your man in a grocery say he thought I was a Sagittarius, but
Guys are having cheese Danish. Should you just
so you take almond milk in your coffee and then fill in your cheese.
Alright guys, we are back. We're having breadstick and pizza. Cheese sticks. Let me keep on as a breadstick and pizza. Yeah.
Breadsticks no from someday. Then the breadsticks Domino's. Then the breadsticks.
I don't know. Yeah, so having that. Just having a nice little chill time. And then we're going to the beach after this, right down the road.
If
Yeah.
I could get this sauce in a bottle.
Come show me eating, yeah.
If I could get this sauce in a
Yeah, over
bottle,
there, so eating.
I would.
The good life.
The good life indeed.
Oh, you saw this? Oh my God, so happy.
Yeah, man, this morning. Cheers to God.
Yeah, this one.
Men
Good
live this
drive.
life. I work out food for every day.
Is it me alone who eats pizza from this end?
Yeah, but me eat that part first and then me eat the nice fluffy
Thank
cheese.
you. That's what I do.
Eat the dry crust first.
No.
You never shake out the apple juice and put back the pineapple this morning.
So, why you never thought this right?
You think you did good?
K1 juice?
Yes. Hi guys. Hi.
Hi.
Guys, we still feel like my flu. Anyways, it is after 4 right now. And we're gonna go to the beach. We're going to Prairie Beach or right next to Fantasy Beach. I think it's Fantasy Beach, but Prairie Beach. So we're going there just to chill for a few hours or so and then come back home and have dinner. We're not going out for any dinner today, so it's just that today. Today's like a chill kind of day. Yeah. So yes, let us wait on the others to get back. I'm gonna collect some per road. So yeah. Hi. We reach the beach. We reach the beach. beach. Yeah, actually pretty. So it's fantasy beach, guys. Yeah. The sand. We don't walk in the sand with shoes, people. Like, we take out the shoes and we carry it and walk. This is how we do it at the beach. So guys, I'm not able to go out to the water right now. But they're having fun and that's what matters. My girls are having fun. And the beach nice, as you say. I mean, I think fishermen also fish here, but the beach is so calm. Well, no, it's not calm right now because the wave heavy. But it's so relaxing. Not much not up on the beach, but it's so relaxing. And look at that. Oh my gosh. The beach is fun. Hi girls! They don't see me. Hey! So this is day 2. Just having some chillax fun. We're gonna live here in the beach and afterwards let's go to my beach days. And afterwards look at that island. You know, the island is so hey! Oi!
So it's a 500 ride, they all pick up. What's up there?
Alright guys, we're gonna leave the beach. The night beach the evening beach experience was lovely. So yes guys, we are leaving. We are leaving. I'm wet. Look at me, I look like a wet rat. We know what does I say? Remember I said this vlog so up, you know, this is one vlog but it's one. We have to tell them goodbye. Every day going to get a different vlog. Like not so good guys, but dinner.
Me? Yeah. No.